This is a quick tutorial to show you um, how to add Vortex library to your Shining3D scanner. So this is a case that we had for a lower arch. Just go ahead and click on Match, and then you go over to Private Library, and then you'll add Upload Library. Whenever it comes to that, take the newest library from Vortex, drag and drop it in that box, and it'll upload into the library, and then you'll have all of our library within Shining. Now, Shining copies all the scan bodies, so you can change out the scan bodies in here to any scan body you want. There's almost 50 scan bodies you can choose from any scan body in the market. Once you have that, you can start your case, essentially export it out, but you'll still need to change the code in Exocad. So just go ahead and click continue. It'll import them all. Now if you click on all scan bodies selected, and then click on LDIL Vortex, you can scroll through and change to whatever you have. So for our purpose, I'll just show you the Vortex 6mm cylinder, and then the 1.2 screw seat. Click on that. We'll do it one more time. Scroll down again. 6mm cylinder. There you go. Then you press replace, and it should replace all the cylinders. Then complete this operation. All right. So then those are your files for Exocad, but it's not gonna be completely perfect. So once you download them, we'll open up this file real quick, extract all, and then we'll open up another CAD scene. All right. So in each one of these libraries, you'll have to change. I'll put this on the notes at the bottom. Just copy and paste, and then you'll change that. Now, I have to do this for all of them, all of these implant positions. Copy, paste, save. That's it. For now, they're actually trying to add Vortex into the library, so you don't have to do this anymore. I hope that comes out pretty soon. So once you start up Exocad, when it gets fired up, it'll pull them all up with that Vortex scanning helium abutment, or whatever helium abutment you choose. All right, I'll pull it up. That's it, really. You can see your scan bodies and your screws, all at the 1.2 screw seat already in there for your arch. And that's it. I'll put at the bottom of the show notes, I'll put that code that you need. I'll just copy and paste it. Thanks.